For movable objects, the M10 navigates safely without skipping any grass. When its built-in rain sensor detects heavy rain, the M10 will automatically pause its task and wait for the next clear day. The M10 boasts a larger cutting disc for wider mowing coverage. Plus, you can customize the mowing height to suit your preferences. It can handle complex terrains, including steep slopes. Powered by a high-strength motor, the M10 easily overcomes obstacles. When the battery runs low during mowing, the M10 automatically returns to its charging station. Once recharged, it resumes mowing right where it left off. When the mowing's completed, just give it a nice and easy wash. Living smart, free start.